What's up, guys? Well, we are back, and once again we are going to be working on and dynoing the EcoBoost Mustang. That is Zach and his Watch My Eco EcoBoost. Say hello. So as you guys know, we made 417 horsepower with our comp turbo, the drop-in one, the 5858 on 93. So now we have C85 horsepower. I hope we make 585 horsepower, but we're not going to. We have E85 in the car, so we can make a lot more power, give it more timing. Our fingers are crossed. We're probably gonna have to run a mix just so we don't run out of injector, but we're gonna push it. Ryan's tuning it again, obviously. We may or may not be trying to make it to FL2K mañana, so we're gonna send it. You ready to send it?
I'm ready to send it.
You can send it?
Oh yeah.
Let's send it. So it looks like he pulled out of it, but it's gonna make some steam. Alrighty guys, so we made like 440 that last one. Made a revision, hopefully a little more fuel in it this time. We added some more 93 back into it, so this is now a mixed tune, not pure. We probably will need injectors for that, but we're gonna send it again, see what it does. This is like an E30, E40 tune.
28 pounds of boost. we have more boost to go.
Because guys, I don't remember if I told you, but we installed a 5-bar map sensor as well. So we can go over 28 PSI now. Couple updates. We're apparently out of a fuel injector because we are on stock injectors, no aux fuel. So yeah, we need some fuel injectors. But we're gonna still send it anyways and see how far we can get.
Direction, even though we're out of injector.
470,503, bud.
Not bad.
Woo! More horsepower. Guys, 487,506, still with 0 aux fuel and stock injectors. How you feeling there, good buddy?
Not bad. I want more, but not bad.
13 more.
Yeah.
13 more. Come on, Ryan, you can do it. Alrighty, guys, we're doing another run. Like I said, look, that was last one. It was 487, like 503, so we got 13 horsepower to go, and FL2K starts tomorrow. Well, really it started today, but roll racing was today. So let's freaking do it. Come on, Zach. 500 or blow it up.
So close.
So close.
So close.
8 more horsepower. It carried a lot further that time. You're over 400 horsepower all the way to red line.
Good.
Look, you're ending it. When you let off, you're still over 400 horsepower.
Yeah.
Look at that. Basically, you're over 400 from about 45 to 65.
It's not bad.
No, not bad at all. Getting close.
did it.
We did it, guys. Let it cool down a little bit. 502 horsepower, 486 foot-pounds of torque. Just had to let it cool down a minute.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
I just gave it the old water bottle on the intercooler in front of the fans, let it cool off a little bit, and bam! 502. You got a good log that time?
I did.
There we go. That was actually just a repeat run because he didn't get the log. We just cooled it off for a little bit. So, yeah, we might get more than 500 out of it.
We'll see.
515. Sweet. I want to see 500, 500.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, that'd be sick. But hell yeah. Yeah, I mean, that's coming in pretty good. Not bad. 500 horsepower, EcoBoost. How do you feel?
Not too bad. I'm pretty happy with that.
Let's go racing?
Yeah, I'm excited.
See if we can run a 10.5?
I want to run a 10 something.
So guys, I'm gonna be there with the camera and supporting and driving, but Zach's gonna be racing his EcoBoost in the 10.5 class tomorrow and Saturday. So be there, we'll see ya. 500 last time, let's get another 500.
That's pretty good.
That's pretty freaking good.
For stock injectors, it's pretty good.
Stock injectors on like E40. Stock injectors, guys. Stock injectors, 506, 503. Dang! Look at that. What a hot mess. Alrighty, guys. Well, we're gonna call it done for the night. Final run, 506, 503. I'm absolutely stoked with that. I mean, if you look at the car, it's just port injection. There are no aftermarket inject, huh? It's just direct injected. I'm tired. There are no aftermarket fuel injectors. There's no aftermarket auxiliary fuel. It is just your standard injectors, like an E40 mix. This guy is gonna make way more power when we can get some fuel injectors in the car so that we're not running lean. And then we don't have to run E40, then we can run fully 85 and truly send it. But we're headed to FL2K tomorrow, so wish us luck. We'll see you guys there. Like always, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.